name is Liz and welcome to Nothing But Bags. Hi, my name is Liz and welcome to Nothing But Bags. I call this space Nothing But Bags because when I'm getting ready to go somewhere, my outfit is an accessory, my handbag is the main event. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos because this channel was recommended to you, or you're one of my returning fellow handbag addicts, subscribers, supporters, or friends around here, either way, I appreciate that you click this video from the bottom of my heart. As you saw the thumbnail on top of this video, this is going to be a Kurt Geiger unboxing. I have never, well, I'm going to say never. I purchased a Kurt Geiger very small Kensington once, like a little nano size. And it was, at the time, it was so small and I just didn't know what to do with it. So I sent it back, but they just came out with this jelly collection. And something about it fascinated me. The price was very reasonable. And I was like, I'm going to try this and see if I like it. I own one jelly bag from Coach. If you can see it right here in the corner, that's clear. And this one was black jelly. And I was like, I just want to try it out and see if I like it. And the price wasn't cost prohibitive. It just looks so good. This is it right here. Can I snap it? I've never been a Kurt Geiger kind of chick, but I just thought this was too cute. I don't know why. Some stuff just, you know, catches my attention. And I was watching Sparkle and Shine's channel, and she was talking about the spirituality in the Bible about the eagle. She was talking about how special eagles are in terms of animals in this country and also in the world, and also the spiritual aspects of an eagle in the Bible. Comes with a dust bag. I just thought this was kind of neat, and it's a super small little bag. It's not too big. It's just the right size. I just thought this was too cute. And I didn't need it, no. Why y'all judging me? I didn't need it, no. But I just thought this is kind of cute. And I said, let me try it and see if I like it in person. And I do. I think I like this. I also got a little card holder because I tried my best to buy a card holder to match my bags if I can. It's got a chain strap to it. Let me see. The strap drop is very important to me because I'm 5'7", about 200 pounds. I like the strap drop. Strap drop is good. I'll stick a mod shot in right now. You can wear it as a shoulder carry, and the chain stay on there. That's pretty good. I like the size. There's the front of the bag, the side, the other side, the bottom, and the back of the bag. So it's just a jelly bag. It's not anything major, but I just thought this was cute. I really did. It does come with a dust bag. And I also got a card holder because, like I said, if I can, I like to at least have a card holder or wallet, preferably a card holder to match my bag. It comes in a box that says Kurt Geiger of London. Wrapped up in tissue paper, and that's the card holder. It's got a little eagle head right there, and it's got 2 card slots on the front, 2 card slots on the back, and a opening in the middle, I believe. I'm assuming it doesn't have an opening in the middle. It does not have an opening in the middle. Wow. I've never seen a card holder that didn't have a space to put some cash. So this one just has 2 card slots on either side, and it does not open in the middle. So that's just a card holder for 4 cards. And on the back of it, it says Kurt Geiger, London, right there. So I got that because I wanted to have at least a card holder and wallet to match the bag. And let's drop that in there, and you can see how much space that takes up. It doesn't take up a lot of space at all. Let's see what fits in the bag. Put a pack of tissue in there. There's the tissue. We'll put a phone charger in there. That's the phone charger. That's that in there. Gonna put my handy dandy fan in there because I like taking my fan wherever I go if I can. And we'll leave it at that. We'll put that in there because I wouldn't take a lot of stuff. This is a small bag, but that's at least a card holder, a fan, some tissue, and a cell phone charger. I'll definitely put my AirPods in there because I would definitely take my AirPods, or I would want to take my AirPods. And that fits perfectly in there. So that's all that's in there. Some tissue, and this is not what I would need to have with me. I would need a couple other things. I had like lipstick, chapstick, hand sanitizer, things like that. But this just kind of goes to show you what fits in there. But that's those things, and it closes well. No stretching of the bag. I really, really like this. I think this is too cute. I think it's a cute little jelly bag. So now I have a clear one and a black one. I thought that was kind of cute. Anyway, just wanted to share with you my Kurt Geiger bag. I don't know what this is called. This is the Vinyl Mini Kensington DR. I don't know what DR means. But it's the black vinyl mini Kensington. I think that's kind of cute. I'm excited about this. I like this. It's a cute little bag. So anyway, I just want to show y'all this bag real quick. This wasn't a long video, but this was one of the newer bags I think that Kurt Geiger released, and I wanted to try it out. I think it's adorable. I think it'll be a cute little nice jelly piece to wear out, and it gives me a chance to experience Kurt Geiger. The card holder felt very good. I meant to say that when I opened it. This material is very nice. Let me see. Card holder is a black card holder drench. Maybe that was what this was, drench maybe. But the leather feels very nice on this. Nice and puffy. I like a nice card holder. Like I said, you can't open it in the top to put any cash in it, but you can hold 4 cards in there. But yeah, very happy with this purchase. I think this is a cute bag for my collection. I think it'll be a nice little clear bag if I want to do something clear for something in the evening time. This is a nice little evening bag for a clear activity, a clear bag activity. Now that I have my Coach one, it can be a day one, this can be a night one. But anyway, drop down in the comment section and tell me if you have considered anything from Kurt Geiger, if you have bags from Kurt Geiger, how you feel about them. And the only other thing that I ask of you is that you have an absolutely wonderful day.